Like this complex machine, the global scenario of industrial world too is complex in nature, or rather even more perplexed. In accordance with its nature, its requisites and problems pave way for many subsidiary businesses, and among many of them, one name emerged above horizon: Aditya Indus Tech Limited. With its 20 years of experience as industrial automation solution provider, Aditya Indus Tech Limited has expanded its field of operation, covering factory automation, process automation, retrofitting automation, and elevators. From the initial stages of designing and planning, hardware selection, PLC, HMI, SCADA, and communication software generation, to sensor and instrument selection, field device configuration and programming, commissioning, and comprehensive support during startup and operational training, Aditya Indus Tech Limited follows a systematic approach to provide turnkey solutions. Additionally, our company offers robotics and IIoT solutions, as well as operates an in-house repairing center at the component level. Furthermore, we provide on-site annual maintenance contract or AMC support. These comprehensive services have helped Aditya Indus Tech to make its name in varied industrial sectors like textile, plastic packaging, chemical and petrochemicals, glass and ceramics, automobile, tires, dairy, food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, fertilizer and pesticides, furnaces, oil and gas, foundry, material handling, machine tools, water and wastewater solution, power and energy, panel engineering. Regarding the health and safety of each and every worker on site, stringent safety rules of international standard are practiced at workplaces, which eventually helped us to maintain the clean record of zero fatal accidents over the years. Strengthened with robust infrastructure and experienced team of qualified professionals, Aditya Indus Tech Limited humbly boasts to have a clientele list of prestigious companies. With its visionary approach of being the premier provider of automation and with a zealous mission to be the best chain globally by offering world-class technology, Aditya Indus Tech Limited, leading the automation age.